sounds like the beginning of something. Doesn't that sound like some kind of 70s shit?
That sounds, it's Led Zeppelin.
What is it?
I don't know. It's Led Zeppelin.
It does sound like Led Zeppelin.
You guys are all in college, man. The only advice I can give you as a college graduate is to travel the world, play music, and talking to people. If you already do that,
More advice.
well, buy real estate. Yo, fuck you, man. Get out of my building. What does everybody want to do when they grow up? What did you want to see? What did you want? I'm fucking kidding. No, but really. What do people go to college? What are you guys going to college? What's the score?
I'm gonna be a fire show.
Who's winning?
I'm winning.
I know you're winning, but you don't have to do it.
I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm not gonna graduate for 5 years.
Community college!
Did you just come in recently? No, you that is looking around.
Me?
Yeah, look.
I've been in the other room.
You're just totally like not understanding what is going on.
I took a picture. He took a
Community college, man!
Is this a community college?
Yeah!
I went to community college.
This is not a community
Are
college.
you this really a community college? You're fucking with me.
It's not a community college!
It's like a really hard school to get into.
You guys are fucking mean, man. Making me like
That was just
feel like I can relate to you. I studied HVAC.
Oh, HVAC CC, man.
And look at where it got me. I'm not playing more songs because my guitar's in a weird tuning. I just don't know how to tell you goodbye because I love you so much.
Play some by Iron Maiden. Play Number of the Beast.
This is just the intro now. I want somebody to feel how light my guitar is. It's made of very interesting wood.
Koa? Is it
No,
Koa?
just lift it up.
Balsa wood?
It's unbelievably light, this guitar. It's really great.
You have 9 minutes left.
Alright, I'll spend that 9 minutes. Thank you.
Telling me. I don't run the venue, I just get you here.
Can I play any Strobe songs? I wish.
Fourth time around, man!
I don't really know any Elliott Smith songs. The only one I know is the one that was in the movie, The Royal Tenenbaum.
I'll play it!
I don't know how to play that.
Do you know any Tom Waits songs? Play something real brutal.
How about I just talk for 9 minutes?
Play the most brutal thing you know.
You guys can listen to the record. You can't listen to me talking to you. When you get back to your places where you go. The records are cool, you know.
Oh, just in case you need an amp. That's like 50 stars to have.
Well,
I would, but like I'm like.
I think that I need to talk to you guys
When I
about a
get
couple
paid.
of cool
No,
nice
sorry, I have
facts.
50 and 60.
I'll hit you up. I'll hit you up.
Hit me.
The economy is in a shitter, guys.
No!
I don't know what's gonna happen to you guys when you graduate. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a a deal with you. I'm going to start a charitable foundation based on the earnings I'm receiving from this performance tonight, and all reoccurring royalties related to this performance. From all the fucking YouTube videos that I see being made. I'm going to donate those, all that's going to go back into a trust. And as you guys exit, I want you to sign, I'm going to get a clipboard and a Sharpie, but I'm going to have to put some twine on the Sharpie and tape it to the clipboard because this is a shitty economy and you guys are going to try to steal my Sharpie. I know you, I fear you, but I want to help you. I want to reach out to you. So I'm going to set up this trust. I'm going to sell my Saturn car. I'm going to donate the $500 from that. And I'm going to create a trust and I'm going to invest it in some really cool things. Like leather capes.
Yeah! Purple leather capes.
Well, what you guys don't know that I know, because I'm in the know, and it's very hush-hush, but some people have called me and told me that next year the thing is going to be leather capes. I'm just letting you know, so in case you're wondering. Anyway, so I'm going to invest in these leather capes. Now I'm going to quadruple my money. I'm going to pour it back into this community right here, what we have right in this room. I'm going to give you a dramatic photo. Look, point it at me again. It's going to be like a Johnny Cash live at Folsom Prison. Should I hold the guitar? Jay Abner? Cocaine Blues by Johnny Cash or Jay Abner? There are two versions. I'm a musicologist, man. Roots? Is that what you guys study?
Hey, Bradford.
No, Bradford!
Hey, take it easy. You guys rule. See you on the flip side.
Yeah!
Anytime you want to take that photo, buddy. Hammer-ons. You're the only one for me, baby. Come here. I want you to eat the set list. I'm going to sing a song. What's your name? While you eat that strawberry, I'm going to sing a song. This is going to be good night, guys. Many